So you've seen the before, and this is the after. We are done with the project. In a comparison, it was quite a transformation what we did with this bathroom, and in this house it was quite a journey, and we had to touch pretty much everything we look at, because we are in the old house. The whole floor was almost 2.5 inches off level, and it's level now. So we'll just highlight a few features. And this is the bathtub right here with some nice little bit natural wavy subway tiles, a little bit of light touch grout to highlight the pattern, and nice fine trim with intersects with the tile. That was just the location. If you remember before, the window was all covered and there was some crappy shower, not really a shower, in the corner which was leaking, so we had to fix a lot of things. So here's a new toilet, and it's centered, and we have this nice floor tile which is laid on a 45-degree angle, and it creates a square pattern, which is was actually a little surprise. But anyways, that's the fun of it. And we do have a tiled baseboard and used this corner bead, chamfer bead it's called, with this little transition detail, so all the bottom corners on the baseboards are square. And even here with this half wall, so we have a nice detail, and the corner and the edge of the edging, we start edging for the wall tile for the shower walls. So we try to pack a few more details here. As you know, I like the area vent, so here's the floor vent right there, and obviously new vanity mirror and light fixture. Again, everything's new quiet bathroom fan and all that. Pretty much the walls were uninsulated, so we have to re-drywall, re-insulate everything. So this is the final look before we hang the curtain, and you will not be able to see what's behind it. So thank you for watching, and we are starting one super cool project next, so stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one.